The 3 cording foot is actually a trim. You're supposed to use this to apply embroidery floss or use the zigzag stitch on your home machine to apply embroidery floss trim to your fabric, but you can also use it to gather. So what I'm using is a piece of hemp cording. I'm going to be gathering some curtains, so what I'm going to do is put this into the middle hole, or the middle cord on this 3 cording foot. And I'm actually going to slide it right underneath the presser foot. So before I put it on the snap-on presser foot holder on my machine, I'm going to make sure that this, if I flip it over, it should be able to pull at this cording foot. On the top, that's what it should look like. So I have a snap-on presser foot adapter on the machine. Oh my gosh, I have like butter fingers today. That's crazy. There we go. Okay, so that's on. I'm going to pull out a couple inches just to make sure that I can hang on to the cord as I start to feed my fabric. I want to have the cord about 10 inches longer on either side. I'm going to be gathering a curtain that I'm making. So I'm going to apply this cord to the outside, the fashion side of my curtain fabric. And if you see here, this orange mark on my machine is my 5/8 inch mark. I'm going to make sure that my fabric is aligned up to this mark and that mark only. Once I've put my presser foot down, have some extra cord back here to hold on to, I'm going to go ahead and sew at this 5/8 seam allowance. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my machine onto a zigzag stitch. So I'm going to center my needle, and then I'm going to use the widest available zigzag stitch on my machine. And that's all I'm going to do. No need to backstitch. You can if you want to at the very beginning, but I would just backstitch manually using the flywheel of the machine. More than one backstitch will do you no favors. And that's it. So the cording foot holds the piece of hemp cord in place, holds it perfectly centered on the presser foot. But all I need to worry about is maintaining my 5/8 inch seam allowance. And then when I get to the end, I just need to pull up the presser foot and remove my fabric. And now, this is what it looks like. I have a zigzag stitch right over my cording, and then when I'm ready to gather, I'm just going to pull at my fabric. And I'm using this hemp cording because I'm actually doing curtains, so I would like it to be a little bit more strong up at the top. I don't use elastic because I don't want this to stretch. All right, there you go.